Got a mark there. This can enable me to measure out exactly the pieces I need for the spot. Now before I'm doing it, I'm also pretty much checking out the board, seeing if it's going to be similar, because not all the cuts are perfect, so you gotta do what you gotta do. I got this old DeWalt cutter here. I don't even know how old this thing is. It's been here when I got this house. Little modification, make my own bag. As you see, my Home Depot bag here. Catch that sawdust. I don't really have a proper fence here. I mean, just kind of keep doing it the ghetto way. Doing ghetto engineering, you know what I mean? So I just like to eyeball it right down the line. Right. Should be good. That's our cut. Now I gotta do some sanding.